How to fix Intune Company Portal app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a proper working internet connection, and if not, then you can switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar and search for Intune Company Portal and make sure the app is updated to its latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update the app further. The next fix is launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Here, tap on the Intune app option you see there and then go ahead and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then go back to your home screen and tap hold on the Intune Company Portal app. Here you will see the remove option, so go ahead and tap on the remove app option and then tap on delete app and then on delete. Once deleted, go ahead and reinstall the app from your app store, and by now your Intune Company Portal app should be working just fine. So this is how you can fix Intune Company Portal app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.